Welcome again and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. These are the news making the headlines. 34-year-old man shot and succumbed to injuries in Westmoreland. Man killed after allegedly robbing female biker in Westmoreland. Cop probes death of recently released man from prison. Jamaica constabulary force mourning the death of a member. Man gunned down at candlelight vigil in Westmoreland. Hurricane Fiona brings heavy winds to Puerto Rico as the nation is plunging into darkness. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll have these plus more to come in this newscast. We'll be right back.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back. 34-year-old Sean Johnson, a laborer of Darling Street, Sablamar, Westmoreland, was fatally shot by unknown assailants in the parish on Saturday, September the 17th. Reports from the Sablamar police are that at around 9 p.m., Johnson and other residents were attending a vigil when explosions were heard. The police were alerted, and on their arrival, Johnson was seen with what appears to be multiple gunshot wounds. He was taken to hospital where he succumbed to his injuries. The police investigation are ongoing into the shooting incident. Continuing the news. A man was gunned down by unknown assailants after it was alleged that he robbed a sale representative of her motorcycle and purse in Little London, Westmoreland on Saturday. The deceased has been identified as 31-year-old Damian Semister, otherwise called Dean, and is unemployed of Geneva District address in Grange Hill in the parish. Semister was shot along St. Paul's Main Road a few minutes after the robbery. He was reportedly identified by the woman to police to be the one that robbed her earlier. The police indicated that the female was riding her blue Suzuki motorbike home when, upon reaching a section of a main road in the parish, she was intercepted by two men traveling on a burgundy motorcycle. The pillion disembarked the motorcycle and brandished a firearm, which he pointed it at the complainant before robbing her of her purse containing personal document and an undetermined sum of cash. The alleged thief also robbed the woman's motorcycle and fled the scene on the complainant's motorcycle. Later that day, residents stumbled upon a body and called the police. It was later discovered that this was the said individual that carried out the robbery earlier. According to the police, the man was positively identified by the victim as the man that robbed her earlier. The woman's personal documents that were stolen were also found beside the deceased. The body was transported to hospital where he succumbed to his injuries. The police investigation continues. Continuing the news. Cops probe death of man recently released from prison. The police are probing the killing of a man in Portland Cottage, Clarendon on Tuesday had anything to do with him being recently released from prison. Donovan Sinclair, otherwise called Dada, a laborer of Belgium Street in the community, was attacked and shot to death while walking along Portland Cottage Main Road in the parish. Reports indicated that at around 8:20 a.m., Sinclair was walking on the main road when he was pounced upon by men on foot who opened fire, hitting him multiple times. The men opened fire to the upper part of the body, killing him on the spot. The police were summoned, and on their arrival, Sinclair was seen lying on his back with what appears to be multiple gunshot wounds. Sinclair, the police disclosed, was recently released from prison, having served several years for 7 serious crimes committed, including robbery. It is one of the possible angles the police are looking into. Continuing the news. The Jamaica Constabulary Force JCF mourning the death of one of their members. The Jamaica Constabulary Force is mourning the loss of one of its members who passed away yesterday afternoon at the Spanish Town Hospital in St. Catherine. She has been identified as Detective Corporal Jane White. Reports are that the Detective Corporal was rushed to hospital after complaining she was not feeling well. It is said that White was on pre-retirement leave and was assigned to the St. Catherine North Police Division. Continuing the news. Hurricane Fiona brings heavy rains to Puerto Rico and plunged the nation into darkness. The government of Puerto Rico on Sunday said that the entire country is now without electricity as residents brace for the impact of Category 1 storm Hurricane Fiona. In a statement, it is reported that 100% of the country is without power due to a transmission failure from Hurricane Fiona. Meanwhile, Fiona has continued to strengthen and is packed sustained winds of 85 miles per hour. According to the National Hurricane Center update at 2 p.m. yesterday local time, Fiona is moving toward west-northwest near 8 miles per hour or 13 kilometers per hour. A northwestern motion is expected on Monday morning and continue to follow through Tuesday. On the forecast track, the center of Hurricane Fiona will continue to pass near and over southern and western Puerto Rico and then move near northern east coast of Dominican Republic on Sunday afternoon, leading into Monday near to the east coast of Turks and Caicos Island on Tuesday.
You guys are okay.
Está feo, esto está feo con cojones.
Este cabrón que hizo como la puta.
has been Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll have these plus more to come in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.